I am going to set up this super cozy retro PC area with 3 different computers. One 3DFX machine to play the mid-90s 3DFX titles like Screamer 2 and Screamer Rally, and I need a 386 machine to play DOS games, and I need a high-end Windows 98 PC. And I don't have more space to put them, but then I found I have a bit more space in there. And so I started setting up some shelves, and yeah, it's not my most beautiful work, but functional I hope. Anyway, I am very excited to have this small space where I can have these computers to play all the games from the beginning of the 90s to the end of the 90s. It's going to be amazing. Let's start with this high-end Windows 98 computer, which has one problem. The hard drive failed. And the solution? IDE to SD adapter and SD card. My brother printed out this front bay cover for me, but you can see the Molex plug is too tall, it won't fit in the case. And this is how I fixed that. Let's install it in the case, and yeah, it sure is white, isn't it? Let's set up this PC up here. Okay, the keyboard goes here, the mouse here. It works, but it's a bit... I need to make this wider. Okay, put the monitor here, like one here. It goes, well, it just fits. I'm going to connect all of it up and install games and drivers and then get back to you. So now the machine has been installed, and having the hard drive just right here is so nice. It is so convenient to just pop out the card, plug it in my main computer, transfer files, and plug it back in. And if something happens with either the SD card, or especially perhaps Windows 98 won't boot anymore or something like that, I can just pop out the card and install a backup SD card instead. And I'm good to go again. That is just perfect. It is possible to have a more powerful Windows 98 gaming machine, but for playing games from the late 90s, this is quite the beast. It has a GeForce 3 Ti200, 512MB of DDR RAM, and the fastest AMD Athlon Thunderbird processor at 1.4 GHz. It has an Oriel 3D sound card for excellent 3D sound. Games like Doom also works fine. However, if I play older games like DuckTales, that just won't work at all. And even the 486 is too fast. Say hello to this lovely computer, the Digital DeckStation 320. I really like the design of this computer, and it has a volume button for the PC speaker. That's perfect. But I have also installed an Adlib replica sound card in here. So now I need to set up the 386 machine, but before I can do that I need to remove mouse and keyboard and such from this machine. And I am not going to connect them to the 386. I'm going to connect them to this KVM switch here, so that I can switch between which PC I want to use. So let me try to set up this 386, but it's not. Okay. This just gets me so nostalgic. This is how I played Home Alone. My first computer did not have a sound card, And all my games in the beginning only had the PC speaker sound, and it sounds so nice. Not the best quality PC speaker in this machine though, but it works. And these pictures here. When I first saw these pictures, I was amazed. I didn't think my computer could produce such realistic pictures, because up until that point I had only seen these cartoonish pictures. And the game starts. I had a lot of fun playing this game. I thought it had lots of like details. It had many rooms, many different rooms you could explore, at least in the beginning. I felt like I was exploring this house. And there was one place I didn't know I could get to. Can I jump out here? No. And that was... you can go to the tree hut. I didn't know that, so someone in my school told me you could get there. Let's go to the tree hut. I didn't know you could go out here if you press up direction or up arrow key. You can get here. And I thought that was amazing as a kid. Sadly though, you can't take the zipline, or if I go here to take the zipline, which is here, you just suddenly end up here. Oh no. I'm ready. Actually, I'm not ready. It's going to come here now. It's running faster. And there he goes. Come and get me. Oh, he's running faster than me. Oh, thank you, spider. Oh, crap. And here he can't get me. Now I'm safe. Go down here, and oh no. I don't remember how to shoot a BB gun. No. Oh no, I got caught. Gotcha. We need to set up the 3DFX. Oh no. Is there room for it? And how do I attach the cables now? I think I need to... Oops. And here we have all of the computers set up and ready to play games. I installed an SD card solution here as well, and I tried to paint it with some paint to get a better color match, which is not a match at all, but it looks a bit nicer at least. And I think this is quite an appropriate 1997 era PC. Not your high-end PC, but your common PC. With a 3DFX Voodoo 1, AWE 64 value sound card, and the Pentium MMX at 200 MHz. Okay, let's boot up all of the machines. Boot up. Sierra Sports. This is Viper Racing on the Windows 98 PC. I loved playing this game as a kid with a friend of mine. I don't think I've seen LGR cover this game. which is weird because he loves the Viper. Or at least he used to. Let's crash. No, I did not reduce the speed. Crap. Anyway. Then I can switch to Screamer 2. Okay, Screamer 2. I loved playing this game. And I also think it looks great. For an early 3DFX title, it looks great because it doesn't look that flat either. It does still have textures and details and such. And then I can switch to Cosmos. PC speaker volume control. I always loved the colorful graphics in this game. All the different fruits and stuff you could collect. Oops. Oh no. But then I actually installed or set up a different computer as well. Listen to this. What game is that? Can you recognize the game? It's Far Cry. Far Cry. That was an excellent game. And it still looks really great. I think this game was a little bit better than Crysis also. Or actually maybe a lot better. In many ways. Oops, one guy. Die! What? I'm hit. Yeah. This game looks absolutely beautiful. I think this game had more interesting levels than the Crysis. It was more fun in a way to explore. Of course, Crysis was amazing with its graphics, but yeah, I like this game a bit more actually. Going to play some Wolfenstein 3D. Anyway, I am super happy that I can play so many games now. From Wolfenstein 3D to Jones and the Fast Lane, Blues Brothers, Cosmos, Home Alone, and Screamer 2, Screamer Rally. I noticed it's stuttering a bit here. Anyway, winter is coming and it's going to get cold. And I'm going to have so much fun in here, playing lots of cool games. Die. Let's find the secret. Oh yeah. Da, 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 da. Listen to that sound. Isn't that lovely? I love the PC speaker sound. I have missed the PC speaker sounds. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you next time.